Guys, Jade up here. So I promised y'all a DeLorean update today, and this is what I've got for you. The DeLorean is taking a little longer than usual, than I thought it was going to get back to me. The reason being where there's some parts that had to be sent back that were being put on the car, and that's basically what we're waiting on right now. I talked to Bankston about it about, I want to say somewhere around about 2 weeks ago. And he's working diligently to get the car going. We're almost there. He's got the car running. He says the car's running great. So we are getting close. I promise you guys, I've already talked to several different people. We're going to do some really cool videos with that car when I get it back. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I promise I am going to get... As soon as I get the car, I'm even thinking about doing a video of me actually picking up the car. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys sticking with me and continue to subscribing. And I'm still bringing videos when I can and when I think of them and stuff like that. So please, like I said, hit that subscribe button, stick with it, and we'll get more videos out to you guys. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.